That's a fucking way to start it, I guess. What's going on, everybody? It's Silas with S Stone Outdoors. I'm here with Cool Art Outdoors. We're out here in Cedarville. It's about 12 degrees, a little bit windy, so it feels like 4. And we are on some fish. We're in about 13 feet of water. I'm getting smacked as we speak. Nice little bucket of perch. More to come soon.
That action already looks 10 times better on that jig.
Oh!
Holy fucking pike, brother. Holy fucking huge pike, brother. He's gone. He's gone. He's gonna turn around and rip at me now. That was a big fucking pike, brother. That was a huge fucking pike, brother. Wow.
Straight missed his ass. Oh!
Should I get a video?
Yep, told you he was a decent size. Oh, I know. Gotta get the pick with the mags rod. Sponsor me, Mags. Sponsor me.
Oh, I have a fucking perch on right now.
Is it a perch? I had a big ass perch on just a second ago and he... Oh yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Minnow. Minnow me.
I'm trying.
Must have been that big guy that fucking...
Don't do it. You fucking cocksucker. Gotcha. Any of them?
Bigger in size, preferably. Yeah, it had to have been the perch that just smacked mine, cause...
That's perfect for you right there. You're gonna love this guy.
Something's got me all sticky right now.
That pike earlier. I need a fucking minnow now too. You know what's crazy too is I literally, like, my pole was sticking straight up like this, so I was like halfway out of the water column and he still came up and hit it. What the fuck? Are you jigging full smalls or what? I'm gonna try it. We need to get an airboat. Ooh. Swing and a hit. Damn.
Dirty bitch. Put him down yet.
Didn't you kill that thing? Oh my god. I had him twice. I hooked him twice. My. That was such a... Oh, he came back. It. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Holy fuck.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah. That was a tail if I ever seen one. Holy fuck. I need to switch batteries. Well, it's nice and warm in here. I shouldn't have to worry about it dying in here.
Get out of here.
You like them things, don't you?
No, I don't.
You just want to catch the biggest one today, or is that what it is?
I guess
so. Is this what it's about?
I guess
Trying to catch
so.
the biggest fish?
Got his ass this time. Oh, he's pissed. He is pissed.
Well, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Dave and Silas. We're out here on Cedarville, out in front of Patrick's Landing.
Oh, that bitch just snapped me off.
Got a couple fish on the ice. We're sitting at approximately 12.5 feet. It's dropping in temperature quick, like real quick. Here they come. They're there.
Throw him back.
Oh, you know what I should do? I should just go get my head mount.
I got one in my...
You have an extra one?
I should.
I have like the straps and everything, but they're all in my shack is all.
Yeah, I think I got it all sitting in my box.
Well, my camera's on. I'm not recording yet, but it's on. Get out of here. Here he comes. He's coming right for you.
Dirty bitch.
Told you.
Got off.
Good.
Thank God.
Not a perch. Get out of here.
Pike?
Yep. Get out of here. Get. Dude, I have a dry hook. I literally don't even have anything on it. You have your pliers.
Yes.
Look at that. Nothing on it. Nothing on it. Feeling lucky, punk? Feeling lucky? Open your dumbass mouth. We're gonna have to play doctor.
Don't try this at home.
He's actively swallowing it right now. Not swallowing.
This is just a recipe for disaster, but that's how we roll around here. And that is why, right?
I just can't believe how many pike are in this one.